Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to find the Hostinger IP address. All right, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to Hostinger's login page. Enter your account credentials and click Login to access your dashboard. Once inside, look for the Websites tab in the main menu. This section lists all the websites linked to your account. Select the website you want, then click to open its dashboard. The dashboard gives you an overview of your hosting service and available settings. From here, locate your hosting plan details. This section usually appears under the hosting plan associated with your domain. Click Plan Details to view the full configuration. In this section, you'll find key information about your hosting plan, such as storage, plan type, and most importantly, the IP address. And that's it. You've successfully found the Hostinger IP address through your account dashboard. So that's basically how you can find the Hostinger IP address. That's it for this video. Thanks.